right here, right now. We inhale and exhale. Allowing ourselves to become present to the self that's in there, the observer, the witness that's way back there. The one that doesn't need life to be flashy or to match human preferences. The one that knows that it knows that it knows that it is always okay. The one that lives in a field of possibility, in intelligence, life, creativity. Inhaling and exhaling. Mind, body, and spirit. We allow ourselves to release any patterns, habits, thoughts, energies that no longer serve us. We're willing to see them. We're not so afraid of them that we close our eyes and turn away and push them into the recesses of the mind. We can allow them to be seen. Like ghosts on Halloween that are for dress up and play. That we recognize we made. We found the costume, we put it on. That we're the one dressing up our thoughts. That this intelligent system is the one dressing up our dreams. And that this too is for our healing, this too is for our evolution, this too is for our growth, our expansion. So peace, be still. As we breathe in to the one who witnesses, the one who is one with the breath of life. Inhaling and exhaling. We center in on that state of peace. Allowing in the fullness of the present moment. The beauty and the wonder of life. And being alive. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. Namaste.